Welcome to Weekend Prime. I'm Robinson Okenya and Angel Lois is on sign language. Now, 6 people died following a road accident along the Nakuru-Eldoret highway after a trailer collided head-on with the Nissan Matatu at Nyanja Blackspot in Kuresoi North on Friday night. Grief and sorrow engulfed family and friends of victims of the accident at the Londiani Hospital mortuary in Nakuru County, where the process of identification of the bodies kicked off on Saturday. At least 3 out of the 7 victims who succumbed in the grisly road accident were successfully identified, even as survivors of the fatal crash were referred to other facilities across the county for specialized care. Gloria Milimu reports.
Here's Mike.
Emotions reign high at the Londiani Sub-County Hospital in Nakuru County as family and friends of the Friday night road crash victims began the painful process of identifying bodies of their loved ones. They had perished in a road crash that occurred around 8 p.m. Friday night along the Nakuru-Eldoret highway after a trailer collided head-on with a Nissan Matatu at the notorious Nyanja Blackspot in Kuresoi North. One after the other, they were confronted with the reality of the grisly incident that claimed the lives of at least 7 victims.
Tumeingia hapa kwa mortuary, tumeidentify mwili ni yeye. Amevunjika mguu na kichwa.
Another family was also coming to terms with the untimely death of their kin who had not survived the crash. She was a teacher at one of the schools in the county.
Kufika karibu saa 2 nikajaribu kumtafuta nijue kama alifika. Nikaona simu inalia haichukuliwi. So nimekuja, nimezunguka, nimefanya inquiries. Finally nimeweza mpata, ni mmoja wale ambaye hawakuweza kusurvive.
At least 3 bodies have been identified so far.
Assisted them. Unfortunately, 7 succumbed. 4 male and 3 female. 5 survived, and we referred them to different hospitals in Nakuru. We were able to ascertain that most sustained severe head injuries because of the high impact trauma.
We really ask the motorists to be careful when they approach the bridge, because you realize the Matatu has started descending and the lorry was ascending.
The incident comes at a time when the country continues to grapple with a surge of road accidents that have so far claimed the lives of at least 4,458 people, according to NTSA. Gloria Milimu, KTN.
Politics in Kisii turned chaotic on